Welcome to the TreadSafe series of training videos. In this first part of the series, we'll be looking at stair nose installation for uncovered stairs. Using your TreadSafe samples folder, flick to the appropriate page for the situation. In this case, it's page 6, Uncovered Stairs. These are the best options for the scenario. And here's why. As you can see, they are ramped off at the back end of the nosing to remove any possible trip hazard. Using a tape measure, take the width of the stairs and calculate how wide your nosings will need to be. You may not want to run nosings the full width, as in this situation, so take that into account also. By overlaying another nosing, mark the cut lines. And then cut using either a hacksaw or a power saw. Remember, you may not be running nosings the full stair width, so once you have cut them, mark out clear lines where you will be running them to and from. As we are drilling into a concrete substructure, we will need to set a marker on our drill bit using tape, making sure the nosing is in place. Mark the pre-drilled countersunk holes with a pencil. Then, proceed to use the marked drill piece to drill the holes before continuing on to the next hole. With the holes drilled, you can now put plugs in place and then hammer down nice and snug. You will be using a construction adhesive as part of the fixing process, so you will need to brush down the stairs to remove any dirt and dust. Then, using an applicator gun, apply a zigzag line along the nosing. Try not to go too close to the back of the nosing, as it will squeeze out when screws are fixed. You can then turn the nosing over and, using your previously marked start and end points, wiggle the nosing into place. Making sure your screw is aligned with the plug, you can then begin to fix at the recommended 200mm centers. Before adhering your anti-slip inserts, Give the profiles a quick clean with an isopropyl alcohol or similar product to remove any dirt buildup or unwanted residue. You can then roll the box of insert out along the nosing, but be sure to avoid stretching the insert at all times. Then, peel the backing and push into the matching rebate, peeling and pressing as you go. And there you have it. We've taken a tired, potentially hazardous set of stairs and given it new life. The anti-slip nosings reduce the risk of fall and strengthen the step edge, while the glow insert will mean navigating these stairs at night is a breeze.